Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Sa mga bago pa lang sa channel ko, please consider to subscribe at i-hit mo na rin yung bell button below para naman ma-notify kayo every time na mayroon ako mga bagong video katulad nito. Our tutorial for this video is single crochet 3 together. So ang ating mga gagamitin, milk cotton yarn, a pair of scissor, darning needle, not necessarily, only as you want, and a 3.5 mm crochet hook. So, depende sa gagamitin natin na yarn kung ano yung correspondent na crochet hook. How we start single crochet 3 together. So, we need a chain multiple of 2 plus 3. We have to do slip knot. Sa mga bago pa lang, pwede nyo balikan yung mga previous video ko para doon nyo makikita yung mga different stitches o paano gumawa ng slip knot. So to start this project, we need to do a chain multiple of 2 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, plus 3. 1, 2, and 3. Starting in third chain from hook, pick up a loop in next 3 chains. So, 3 chain from hook. So, 1, 2, and 3. Pick up a loop. Now, you have 2 loops in your hook. Next, pick up the loop in the second stitch. On the next stitch, 3 loops in your hook. And pick up the loop on the next stitch. Now you have 4 loops in your hook. And grab the yarn, pull it through together. That's why we called it single crochet 3 together. Okay, and then chain 1. Next, pick up the loop in the same stitch like this, and pick up a loop in next stitch, 3 loops in your hook, and 1 more. Pick up the loop on the next stitch. Now we have 4 loops in the hook, and grab the yarn, pull it through together. Then chain 1. So repeat this process across or until end of the row. It must be 4 loops in your hook before we grab the yarn and pull it through all together. Then chain 1. Almost done. So now we have 4 loops in the hook, and grab the yarn, pull it through all together, the 3 single crochet and chain 1. And to end up the first row, chain single crochet in the last chain there. So this is how we end up our row 1. And to proceed to row 2, chain 2, 1 and 2, then turn. So we are going to do almost same process with the row 1. Pick up a loop in the chain 1 space. So the chain 1 space is this one. This is the chain 1 space. Okay, pick up the loop. Now we have 2 loops in the hook, and then pick up the loop in the second or in the next chain. We call this one as single crochet 3 together on top of it. Okay, now you have 3 loops in your hook. Pick up the loop in the next chain 1 space. Now you have 4 loops in your hook. Grab the yarn, pull it through together, and then chain 1. So the same process, almost same process from row 1. So next, pick up the loop in the same stitch, 2 loops in your hook, and pick up the loop in the next chain or the single crochet 3 together, 3 loops in your hook, and pick up the loop in the next chain 1 space, and grab the yarn, pull through all together the 3 single crochet and chain 1. One more, pick up the loop in the same stitch, 2 loops in your hook, pick up the loop on top of the 3 single crochet together, and next pick up the loop in the next single crochet or in the next chain 1 space, 4 loops in your hook, grab the yarn and pull it through all together, chain 1. Next, the same process, pick up the loop in the same stitch, now 2 loops in the hook, and pick up the loop in the next stitch or on top of 3 single crochet together. Now 3 loops in the hook, pull up the loop in the next chain 1 space, and grab the yarn, pull through all together the 3 single crochet, then chain 1. Repeat this process across or until end of the row. I'm now on the last single crochet 3 together. Pull up the loop in the same stitch, 2 loop in the hook, and pull up the loop in the next chain, pull up the loop in the next chain or the next chain 1 space, grab the yarn, pull it through all together the 3 single crochet, chain 1, and to end up the row 2, and to end up row 2, after chain 1, single crochet in the last stitch or the turning chain. Okay, 1 single crochet in the turning chain. So it's simple as this, single crochet 3 together. So this is how we end up our row 1 and row 2 for single crochet 3 together. Just repeat row 2 for pattern. So this is how we end up our project, the single crochet 3 together. Just repeat the row 2 for pattern until you reach your desired length and measurement. That's all for today's video, and please consider to subscribe to my channel and i-hit mo rin yung bell button below para naman ma-notify ka every time na meron akong mga bagong video tutorial katulad nito. Muli po, maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.